Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it, gladly. But we're gonna ride out, and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong. Okay.
Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Red Dead. On va...
We have to try. Stay close and we'll do our best to stick to the trail. This goddamn weather. Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
Ouais, on va enfin refaire l'histoire Red Dead ensemble, cette fois en vidéo. Et ça c'est cool. Voilà. C'est tout ce que j'avais à dire.
Careful over this bridge here.
Oh là, désolé, je ne regardais pas.
Can't believe we lost Davy too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start. So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. There was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. I stashed what we took with all our money in town right before we fled. Hey, I think I see something up the path. You up ahead. Who's there?
J'ai mis le son moi parce que vraiment ça serait impossible sinon.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
And stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay. Let's head down there.
C'est vrai que niveau parlementation, hein, Dutch, c'est plus lui. Voilà. Je sais pas pourquoi. En fait, je pense que c'est juste parce qu'il est habillé en fait d'une manière riche. Parce que nous, en vrai, quoique, je sais pas. Oui, ça on sait. J'ai fait une nouvelle partie, donc je sais pas si c'est une nouvelle partie plus ou pas. Ah, oh, ça met en petit en bas à droite, ce qu'on parle.
Let me do the talking. We don't want to scare these folks.
Oh là, la nombre de neige.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food.
in the wagon.
I hear you. Just keep your eyes on Dutch.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Now, friend,
Alors, vu que je suis loin, je vois pas les gens. Oh, ça fait du bien de revenir entre guillemets à la pauvreté. Ah. Allez, on va aller voir Dutch. C'est vrai que là, c'est vraiment sombre.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
goddamn O'Driscoll boys here? Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Ok. On peut toujours pas fouiller les cadavres. Dommage.
Smells like a party in here. Looks like the poor bastard was married too. At some
Ouh,
point.
pas mal. En vrai, moi je dis ils sont beaux. Sur la photo, ils ont l'air mignons. Allez, on prend tout ce qu'on peut, hein. Bon, on a récupéré des petites légumes en conserve. Bah, on va prendre de la pêche, hein. D'accord.
Place is dry, warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us.
Ouille.
Meet me out here when you're done.
Ouais, quand t'as terminé. Ça veut pas dire que là on a terminé.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Ok, let's go. On peut voir qu'il y a des gens qui ont marché là-bas. Objectif. Bah on n'a pas d'objectif. Ah si, examiner la grange. Oh je suis bête hein. Moi je croyais que c'était marqué en haut à gauche. Oh désolé, je sais plus regarder. Pourquoi il sort le flingue?
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk.
Voilà. Il jure beaucoup hein. Moi c'est jamais arrivé moi.
With the others at an old mining camp southwest of here, near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Ouais. Bon de toute façon il vivra pas tout seul dans le temps qu'il fait là, donc bon on s'en fout un peu hein. C'est mon revolver Cattleman. C'est mon chapeau. D'ailleurs je vais vérifier du coup. Avant de continuer la mission. Ok on peut pas.
Sorry, boy.
Allez viens là toi. Petit cheval.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
Ouais voilà.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Get that horse hitched. Don't want him bolting.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
You fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here.
Ça c'est sûr, elle peut pas. Ouais, ça crame aussi vite le vieux bois.
Yes, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them.
Ça c'est bien vrai.
It's okay.
Moi j'ai rien d'un ça, mais par contre, je suis gentil avec les gens.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey everybody, Dutch is back!
Au moins ils surveillent bien la maison, Lenny.
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about. Apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed, and he'd look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Well, wouldn't be the first time.
Bon, je sais pas vous, c'est un petit peu long là.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a
Un
look.
peu long, ouais.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well,
Très long. Ou un feu de camp.
seems somebody left
John, peut-être.
recently. And that way.
Sure, well,
Ok.
come on then.
Oh non, je viens de voir un truc.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Non.
Yep.
Oh non. Je pétais mon crâne. J'ai trop le seum. Attends. On peut examiner le campement.
Few hours ago, most.
Ouais. Je sais pas comment ils arrivent à dater. Moi je comprends pas. Moi j'arriverai pas à dater. Ou alors faut vraiment une technique spéciale que je connais pas.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Go. Hop. Attends, je vois une trace là-bas. Un truc à droite. On dirait un cheval. Ah oui. Ah, je me rappelle plus de ça.
Let's see if he can hear us. Come on. Up there.
C'est vraiment... Attends, on peut examiner. Encore. Cheval mort. Mais arrête-toi.
This ain't good.
It's coming from up ahead somewhere. Where you going?
Là, va falloir laisser les chevaux, hein. Je pense que même sur Far Cry, on passe pas là.
I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I grabbed that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Vitesse de pointe. Attention, Max Verstappen en sueur, hein.
Come on.
Ok. Là, on regarde et on fait oh my gosh, just look at this, bro, mec.
Let's keep moving.
J'ai envie de vomir tellement ça fait peur. Et en même temps, je sais pas,
You sure about this?
j'adorerais vivre ici.
It's coming from this way.
Okay,
Careful here. Mira that we're high up here.
you're telling me.
Careful. There's a drop here. It's slippery, be careful. Watch your head here. Okay, good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall.
Mais oui.
Up here. Come on. Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on.
Je sais pas, moi j'entends pas moins qu'avant.
We're coming, John.
Dang, it's cold.
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, where are you?
John, you there? Marston, you hear me?
Ah, j'ai vu sur la carte à gauche.
That's John. We're coming.
Down here. Hey! All right. Hot down, Marston.
He's down here.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. Freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. Look up there.
Perfect. I'll distract him while you get to the horses. Go. Draw them off.
Hey, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Hey!
We'll get you out of here.
Là, ça va faire du boom. Non, j'ai appuyé sur le bouton. Vraiment, on voit, enfin... Eh, mais je suis un tireur d'élite ou quoi? Je vous jure, dans ma première partie, j'ai jamais fait un aussi bon résultat.
Jesus. You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
You got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. I suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization?
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter, and Been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Let's go les gars. Table de nuit, fouiller le tiroir. On va directement tout prendre nous. Bon bah on va fermer vu qu'il n'y a plus rien à prendre. Faut pas porter beaucoup hein. Oh les jumelles. On rappelle des jumelles. Et bah les gars on va s'arrêter là. Pour la première vidéo. Et ben je vous dis à plus. Ciao bye bye.